Thursday, we attend the Novena Mass. Then, the Magstoriata, History of HCDC Fiesta. And the Biodanza or Zumba. After that, we go to the canteen because we were hungry. Then after that, we go back to the gym. September 10, Day 2. The painting workshop. The theme of the painting was how to help the Mother Earth. This time, only 5 minutes and 13 seconds left on the 1 hour. After that, each group, 2 members must volunteer to present their painting and explain what the painting was. And also, we decided to join on the mini games with my friend Jetro. September 11, 3rd day. Community Engagement Day. This time, we were assigned at the gym to clean. You can see how tired I am when I clean. September 12, 4th day. September 13, 5th day. The Music Festival 2024. September 14, the last day. Today, I'm on my way to go at the campus. This time, we are already celebrating the Fiesta Sanayon Community Lunch. And after the event, me and my friends decided to go home.